maker. Did you know it pays to shop at Michael's? It's so easy with the Michael's Rewards program. And the more you make, the more you get rewarded. All you have to do is enroll, earn, and enjoy. Here's how to get started. There are 3 ways to sign up for rewards. Already a member? Great! No need to sign up again. Sign up in-store at checkout, through the Michael's app, or by going online to our rewards page and following these steps. Remember, if you're already a rewards member, there's no need to sign up again. First, sign into your Michaels.com account, or create an account if you don't already have one. Next, complete the rewards section by clicking I signed up in store if you signed up in store. Otherwise, click Enroll in Michael's Rewards today. Within a few minutes, you'll receive an email with a verification code. Just enter the code and you're in. Simply click Go to My Rewards to get to your rewards profile page. From here, it's easy to manage your account. You can check your balance, view your vouchers, find your weekly offers, and review your history anytime. Be sure to keep your email address updated so we can send you rewards offers and vouchers. You can do this by editing your profile here. You'll receive a welcome email right after you sign up. We'll also let you know when you earn rewards and vouchers. Plus, you'll get a monthly statement email to keep you up to date on your reward status and perks. There are so many ways to earn rewards, and you'll get new offers and opportunities to earn every week. You'll receive an email every Sunday with your weekly offers. You can also find your offers on your rewards profile page online, in the app, and at the store. Simply look for our rewards flyer at the front of the store and signs throughout the store showcasing our weekly rewards specials. The more you shop, the more you earn, and we'll keep you posted as those earnings add up. Here's the part where you get rewarded. We'll email you a $5 rewards voucher every time your rewards balance reaches $5. Vouchers can be redeemed on almost everything in store and online. As a Michael's Rewards member, you'll find new ways to earn and enjoy every day. What are you waiting for? Start earning today.